अर्जुनुवाच अर्जुनुवाच किं तद्ब्रह्म किमध्यात्मं किं कर्म पुरुषोत्तम अधिभूतं च किं प्रोक्तम् अधिदैवं किमुच्यते। अर्जुनोवाच किं तद्ब्रह्म किमध्यात्मं किं कर्म पुरुषोत्तम अधिभूतं च किं प्रोक्तम् अधिदैवं किमुच्यते। अधियज्ञः कथं कोत्र देहेऽस्मिन् मधुसूदन प्रयाणकाले च कथं ज्ञेयोऽसि नियतात्मभिः। Who is the Lord within this frame? How are you known when life is done? At the final hour, O Madhusudana, how do the steadfast reach the one? Arise, O Bharata, lift your eyes and see. Beyond all change shines eternity. Seek the truth with mind and soul. The imperishable is the ultimate goal. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Aksharam Brahma Paramam Svabhavodhyatmam Uchyate Bhuta Bhavodbhavakaro Visarga Karma Sangitaha. The Lord replied, the highest truth, the imperishable Brahman is. The self is one's eternal nature, and karma is creation's gift. Antakale cha mameva smaran muktva kalevaram yah prayati samadbhavam yati nastyatra sanshayah. Who remembers me at life's last breath and leaves this world with heart in me attains my everlasting nature. This truth is certain eternally. Arise, O Bharata, hold him near. Through every hope and every fear, the name you cherish, the love you keep, will guide your soul beyond death's sleep. यं यं वापि स्मरन् भावं त्यजत्यन्ते कलेवरं तन्तमेवैति कौन्तेय सदा तद्भावभावितः. Whatever thought fills the heart within, at the moment the journey ends, that very state the soul shall reach, for life shapes the path it ascends. Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu mamanusmar yudhya cha mayi arpita mano buddhirmameveshyasya sanshayam. Therefore remember me always and still perform your destined role. Offer your mind and understanding, and surely you shall reach the goal. Therefore get up, O Bharata, arise. Let devotion awaken your eyes. Stand and act with a fearless heart, knowing the Lord is never apart. Therefore get up, O Bharata, be strong. Make remembrance your life song. In work, in worship, in every breath, the Lord shall lead you beyond death. Akshara Brahma Vyaharan Mamanusmaram Yah Prayati Tyajan Deham Sayati Paramangatim. Chanting Om the sacred sound, remembering the Lord divine. One who departs in such awareness attains the highest state sublime. Worlds appear and worlds dissolve, ages turn and stars grow dim. Yet beyond the wheel of time lives the everlasting hymn. Kingdoms vanish, heavens fade, nothing here forever stays. But the soul that reaches the supreme awakens to eternal days. Mamupetya punarjanma dukkhalayam shashvatam Napnuvanti mahatmana sansiddhim paramangata. Arise, 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 O Bharata, arise. The great souls who come to me return no more to mortal pain. Beyond this fleeting world of sorrow, they find perfection and remain. Arise, O Bharata, answer their call. The eternal Lord is the source of all. Remember Him in every way, and He will guide your soul each day. Arise, O Bharata, steadfast and free. Cross the ocean of mortality. With Om upon your lips above, reach the infinite through faith and love. Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu mamanusmarayudhya cha. Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu mamanusmarayudhya cha. Remember me at all times and do your duty, and do your duty. Therefore, get up, O Bharata, arise. For the imperishable truth never dies.